Let's just get straight to the point. I actually need to put down my camera for this. Hold up. Alright, it's gonna come out. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! My bootleg light. Open. I think it is. Alright, she's gonna come out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the world. Yeah. What the heck is that? Piece of plastic. Anyways, yeah, this is my bootleg lot plush. She's actually really cute. Why's her design like that? She has her BFD face. What they were trying to do, but they didn't do a very good job on whatever they were trying to do. Yeah. Let me take a picture real quick. Hold up. Okay, I'm not even gonna bother making a thumbnail picture. I'm literally just gonna do this. The shadow just makes it even creepier. Hold up. There we go. It just looks even funnier, bro. With the shadow. I am in your walls. Anyway. Oh my god, she's actually my wall! For bootleg, this is actually pretty good. This is a bootleg, by the way. This is not official. I got this from eBay. I got this when I had my birthday money. My birthday is on October 17th, so remember that. You don't need to know my birthday. I mean, actually, yeah, I think you do. Especially if you are new to the channel and you don't know my birthday and you want to know my birthday for some reason, you weirdo. So, yeah. Bye-bye. I also get this plush a 9 out of 10 just because of how good it is. I will give it a 10, but for some reason, the design makes her look like a big bag, so